Now, in fact, we do have a constant multiple rule for antiderivatives. In this case, we have k times f of x. Okay? So the antiderivative of, let's say, 3 times a function. What you can, in effect, do is take that k and just move it completely out of the parentheses and put it in front. And basically, it makes it easy. It's just like the derivative. You'll find the antiderivative, and then you'll just, whatever your answer is, you will multiply by k. You're basically taking it out of the equation and putting it back in once you find the antiderivative. K can be any constant number. Again, this is just that explained verbally. So without further ado, let's do an example. Evaluate the antiderivative of 3x squared with respect to x. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pull that 3 out, find the antiderivative of x squared, and then multiply the final answer by 3 and maybe do some simplification. Again, this is in power form. This is definitely a power function, so let's move on. Alright, so what I normally do is just take that number, put it out in front of the antiderivative, find whatever that is, and then multiply that answer by 3. Using the reverse power rule, 2 plus 1 is 3, so it'd be x cubed, and then I divide by that 3, x cubed divided by 3. Don't forget my plus c. Now you can see we're going to have a simplification step where the 3's cancel. 3's cancel, and we just get x cubed plus c. Now you might be thinking, that's weird. We started out with 3x squared. How did we find the antiderivative to be x cubed plus c? Well, let's take the derivative and find out. Derivative of x cubed, we can move the 3 down, becomes 3x. Subtract 1 from the original power rule, becomes 3x squared. Guess what? That's what we started with, and that confirms that indeed it works. Again, I want to show you what that looks like on a graph. So here's x cubed plus c. No matter where I move this c value, it could be 100 or negative 100, doesn't matter. The slope of this graph doesn't change, just its position. Remember, slope means the derivative. So the derivative of x cubed plus whatever is going to still be 3x squared regardless.